Hello and welcome. My name is Denise. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be putting together my new ring light. It's the bi-color LED ring light kit. I got this at Best Buy, and the reason why I chose Best Buy is because Best Buy gives you this, I think it's $20 for this 3-year warranty. And anything goes wrong with it, I bring it back. They don't ask me any questions. They just give me a brand new one. In fact, this one is a new one that I got because 8 months ago, I got the other one and something was wrong with it. So I brought it back and they gave me a new one. This is the ring light itself, I suppose, that's in here. This is it. And then there's like a bag. And then the instructions. So let's open this bag. Plug. I guess the plug. The thing where the phone goes this way or this way. Horizontal or vertical. And then some remote control thing. And then a screw. God, I don't like to see a lot of parts. Like, how am I going to put this together? And then nothing else is in here. Okay, so let's put all this back in the bag so that I stay organized. Okay, and this is obviously a stand. Okay. First, loosen the lock knob on the light stand to expand the leg braces. Spread the legs out and then lock the lock knob to secure. Hopefully you can watch this with me and you can do it. So yes, so it should be like this. You saw how I did it? Okay, so I'm tightening it so that it can stand there properly. Step 2. To raise the light stand to your desired height, loosen respective lock knobs on each light stand section and raise each one until you have reached your desired height. Make sure to tighten the lock knobs. I'm not going to do that right now because I got to put it together. Take the LED 448 and loosen the knob on the base of the mount. Alight it above the light stand and then install the base onto the light stand. Might as well be Greek. Do I speak English? Is English my first language? No, it's my third, but I speak it very well. I've been here long enough. Okay. Jeez. And loosen it so that there's space, right, for this thing to go in it. That's what you're supposed to do. I already did it, so you just loosen it up. Now, I've done that before. Okay. See, you did this. And something's amiss. It's still kind of loose, even if I tighten it all the way. It's just kind of like this, right? So I was reading in one of the comments from somebody that you're supposed to remove this little black thing. I don't even know if this is right, but let's try it. I removed the black thing and it works. Thank God for YouTube and comments in the comment section, because like I told you, I had this thing for 9 months before and I could never get it right. And it's because I installed it incorrectly, and it's because the directions suck. It doesn't even tell you to remove it. Somebody watching this may be like, oh, is she dumb or something? Of course you should remove it. No, I'm not dumb. I just don't know that this is how you're supposed to do it. I follow directions, and this is nowhere near the directions that I'm supposed to remove that. It was a good Samaritan in the comment section of somebody else that I found this. So thank you, Good Samaritan. But you have to remove this. That's the key. And now it's not loose. Oh my God, can you imagine? I had this thing for 9 months and could never get it. I was like, it's faulty, there's a defect. No, there was no defect. If they simply wrote this in the directions, I would have avoided 9 months of headache. Somebody wrote in the comments that the directions suck. They do. Yeah. Big difference, and I'm so happy with it. I guess I'm going to put it in that little bag in here. Okay, great. Step 4, right? So now mounting equipment to the LED 448. Your LED 448 is able to tilt up to 90 degrees forward or backward, allowing you to produce various lighting effects. For cameras, mount the included mini ball head to the mount inside the ring. For cameras, I guess that's for cameras, but since I don't have a camera and it's a phone, for smartphones, mount the smartphone adapter to the mount inside the ring. The smartphone mount has receptacles on 2 sides for portrait or landscape mount here. Ball mount adapter.
This is really terrible for a company to do.
I'm guessing this goes here. Okay, this is just a guess. And then this goes here. It's to the side. Okay, I'm gonna just leave it like this. It's kind of loose. It's screwed on to the side and wrong. I don't know what to do here.
It's loose. This is my makeshift phone, this is my old phone, so I'm using it as a backup. But this is all loose. This is the same issue I had before. See how loose this is? Because when I tried to tighten it, it's like kind of to the side. Okay, well, now it's tight. But it's still not facing completely forward.
Somewhat. Okay. Ta-da. And these are the adjustables if you'd like your thing to be higher or lower, you know. Why do I feel so stressed out? And then this, I suppose, let's remove this. You only feel stressed out when a company doesn't give you step-by-step instructions. I'm happy to be a model to do step-by-step instructions. So this goes here. And then unscrew this. I gave up on the directions because they were useless to me. So I decided to just guess. And by guessing, I feel a lot more efficient. Here. This is me guessing. Okay. So I've plugged it into the wall. And this is the turn on button. Whoa, that's a lot of light. And then it's adjustable, so I can dim it. I can turn it off, dim it. I can really go bright. This is a completely different day. I've got my iPhone mounted on my ring light that you saw me installing before. And I love the footage. I love the lighting, how you can adjust it. You can do different things with this lighting. And what else can I do? Oh, whoa. Whew. So you could go super bright. You could go dimmer. It's wonderful. And the reason why I got it is because it goes as tall as 72 inches high. Like if I wear high heels or something, I don't have to worry that my stand is not going to be able to take all that height. And I love high heels. I mean, I have heels as tall as 5 inches and I'm already 5'7". Thank you for watching. I hope to see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe to my channel for these fun installation videos. Thank you. Bye.